Okay, I love advocacy. Um, from the minute that you stepped into the nursing profession, you became an advocate. We all know that we advocate for our patients at the bedside and everywhere we are. This is taking advocacy to just a different route. Um, this is talking about political advocacy, advocating for our patients um, and ourselves as a nursing profession in the political arena. So um, there is a lot happening in nursing, in healthcare, um, in the political arena. There's a lot going on with bills that are being passed in the legislature or being introduced in the legislature that we want to get passed or maybe don't want to get passed, that they talk about in the legislature at a state level and at a federal level, that we need to have our voices heard. And so a lot of times we may not even be aware of those things happening. Or sometimes we're aware and we don't know what we should do about it or that we can even do anything about it. And so this module 6, is about political advocacy. And we're not going to go deep into it because we don't really have a lot of time for that, but we're getting our feet wet. And so I just want to introduce a little bit about what can we do, and just kind of introduce the very simplest thing that we can do, which is talking to our legislators. Um, do you know who your legislators are? Um, are you aware of the things that are going on? And do you know, just at the very simplest level, what you can do? And that is write letters, call and touch your legislators. You can just do very simple things like writing letters and saying, hey, are you aware that this bill is coming up and what it's about and how this can affect your constituents? And then the assignment in this particular module is for you to um, write and present an elevator speech, which is a very quick, short, minute and a half little speech presenting a topic that affects about an issue that affects a patient or a family. Um, Presenting a topic to the legislator saying, hey, here's this issue. You need to be aware of this, and here's how it affects your people. So that's what you're going to be doing. And I want you guys to, when you're presenting your speech, keep in mind a couple of things. Number one is when you're talking to legislators, they're very busy. So they have a very short time frame for you to grab their attention. So think about, how can I grab this person's attention very quickly? So say something quick that's going to make them stop and pay attention. Like, did you know this? Or, um, hey, this costs this much amount of money. Always, if there's something that you can throw money in there, that catches people's attention quickly. So grab their attention quickly first thing. Um, Make your case quickly. What do you want them to know? Say that first thing and then make an ask. What is it that you want them to do? Get that quickly. So those are the things that you want to really pay attention to. I've put a couple of example speeches in there for you to see, so that you can kind of get a feel for what you're aiming for. And like, don't be afraid to do this. Like, we are the experts. They are not. So we have an important job and an important role. And they want to hear from us because this is important. It affects the people that they are representing. So, um, give it a shot.